If you're choosing a social media tool, two strong options are Metricool and Buffer. Both let you schedule content and manage accounts, but they're built for completely different types of users. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Metricool is more of an all-in-one social media marketing platform. It doesn't just schedule posts. It gives you deep analytics, competitor tracking, ad campaign insights, and even website performance data, all in one dashboard. You can track things like engagement, best posting times, and even analyze competitors, which makes it very powerful for data-driven decisions. It also offers more value at scale with its pricing model and supports multiple channels in one plan. The downside is that it has a steeper learning curve and can feel overwhelming if you just want something simple. Buffer, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity. It's one of the easiest tools to use, with a clean interface that lets you schedule posts across multiple platforms in just a few clicks. It's perfect for beginners, creators, and small teams who want to stay consistent without dealing with complex dashboards. However, its analytics are much more basic, and pricing can increase quickly since it charges per channel. So which one is better? Choose Metricool if you want deep analytics, competitor tracking, and a full marketing dashboard to grow your strategy. Choose Buffer if you want a simple, easy-to-use scheduler that just works without a learning curve. Bottom line, Metricool is better for data and advanced marketing, while Buffer is better for simplicity and ease of use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.